If you know me or you've been to my house before, you would know that I am a huge Sailor Moon fan. So when I saw that ColourPop was doing a Sailor Moon collection, I knew that I had to buy all of it. So I set my alarm for 2 a.m. because the collection came out at 3 a.m. in Japan, and I refreshed the page at exactly 3. I got the whole collection in my cart, and then it said that it doesn't ship to Japan. But luckily, I had enough time to put my address in Australia in and send it there. And my mum has now sent it to me here in Japan, and we're gonna open it up today, and I'm very, very excited. Okay, so here is the packaging for the pressed powder blush. Look, it looks so cute on the packaging. I love it. This is the packaging for the Glitterily Obsessed Body Glitter. I love how shiny everything is. Okay, next is the packaging for the lip bundles. So this one is the Moonlight lip bundle, and this one is the Daylight lip bundle. These are adorable. And they've got Luna on the back as well. So cute. And last, this is the packaging for the Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon Pressed Powder Palette. That is so beautiful. I love how rainbow and shiny it is. Okay, let's open these up. So this is the Pressed Powder Blush in the shade Cat's Eye. I love that. That is so cute. And here is what the color looks like. There's a little bit of glitter in there. That is so cute. And this one is in the shade From the Moon. It looks like this one's a little bit more matte. That's really cute as well. Okay, let's open up the Glitterily Obsessed Body Glitters. This one is in the shade Moonlight Legend. Oh wow, that is so shiny. I don't even know how I'm gonna use these. Okay, and the next one is in the shade Moon Prism Power. Ooh, this one's got a lot more purple in it. That's so pretty. Ooh, wow. That is so cool. All right, let's open up the Daylight Lip Bundle. Ooh. Okay, so this is the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Moon Tiara. And this one is the Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Usagi. Okay, and in the Moonlight Bundle, oh, that's really pretty. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Sailor Moon, and the Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Bunhead. Maybe that's what it translates to into English, Bunhead. Her boyfriend calls her like dung or something. Bunhead seems like a really weird translation of that. Okay, last, let's open up the palette. Ooh. Oh, so cute. Oh, I love that. And here are all the shades. Wow, I can't wait to use these. Here is a quick swatch of the first 6 shades in the palette. This one is Shining Moon, then Twilight Flash, Silver Crystal, Moon Castle, Full Moon, and the last one, Silver Millennium. Here are the last 6 shades in the palette. I am loving these colors. This one, I can't really read. I think it's called Mare Serenitatis. I have no idea. This one is Luna. This one is called Justice. This is Tuxedo Rose, Love, and Miracle Romance. Here are the 2 pressed powder blushes. This one is From the Moon, and this one is Cat's Eye. I really want to try Cat's Eye. That's looking really pretty. So this one is the Daylight Lip Bundle. It has the Usagi Blotted Lip and the Moon Tiara Ultra Glossy Lip. And this one is the Moonlight Lip Bundle with the Bunhead Ultra Blotted Lip and the Sailor Moon Ultra Glossy Lip. And last, here are the Glitterily Obsessed Body Glitters. This one is in the shade Moonlight Legend, and this one is Moon Prism Power. These are so gorgeous. I can't wait to try these out. Now, I am no beauty guru, I am no YouTuber, but I am already obsessed with all of the colors. So I'm gonna try and do a look with this and we will just see how it turns out. Okay, so I'm looking at the palette and I really loved this color, but I don't think I'm skilled enough to use it yet. So I'm gonna try and use this one. This is such a gorgeous shade. I think I'll probably use this one on the outside and maybe this one as an inner corner shade. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. I'm doing something.
Yeah.
Something's happening. It's got a bit of pink in it too, which I like. I thought it'd be more brown than that, but it's got a bit of pink in it. I think I'm just gonna use my finger for the next part. That is so nice. Alright, let's just... Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh wow. I really like that color. I didn't expect it to be that glittery. Wow. Now I'm just gonna blend it together. Okay. Something's happening. Okay. I like it. I think it looks okay. I'm gonna quickly do the other eye. Alright, let's add an inner corner shade. I think we're gonna dip into Silver Millennium. I don't have an inner corner shade brush, and this brush is not working. That's not working, is it? Oh yeah, that is so bright. Oh, I think I overdid it a little bit. Oh my god, I am not cut out for this.
Looks alright.
Thank you. Okay, I think it's coming together. I really want to try and use this somehow. Let's just try. So shiny. It's so squishy. It goes on really easy. I'm just not talented enough to do it nicely. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but it's not great. But maybe liner and mascara will help. Okay, I'm back. And I think that mascara and eyeliner actually helped with the look. I used my super cute Sailor Moon eyeliner. I got this from a store called Mega Donkey. And I used the Maybelline Lashionista. Now, I want to try the Cat Eye Pressed Powder Blush. This one has the shimmer in it. I don't own many brushes, so forgive me if this is the wrong kind of brush. Oh god. Ooh. That is so pink. can kind of see the shimmer in it. Ooh, I like that a lot. That is so cute. Now for a highlight shade, I think we'll dip back into Silver Millennium. Ooh. Oh yeah, oh, it's quite golden. That wasn't quite the right shade, but I still like it. Last is lips. I think I'm gonna try the Moonlight bundle. Ooh. The color is really nice. And I gotta say, I love how it feels on my lips. It goes on really, really soft. And the color's not too intense either. That is so cute. I'm gonna use that a lot. Lip gloss. Oh, that smells really good. That's cute. I like that too. And it smells so good. I want to eat it. All right, here is my final look. What do you think? Overall, as I'm a rookie, I am pretty happy with this look. I think I could do a lot better at the glitter on top next time, but anyway, I think the collection is gorgeous. I can't wait to try out all of the other colors, and I am so glad and I feel so lucky that I was actually able to get the collection. I saw so many comments on Instagram about people missing out, so I'm very thankful that I could get this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you did, and thanks for watching. Also, if you want to see how my Sailor Moon nails got done, check out my last video.